Hello, I'm going to show you a couple of different ways to get to the live meeting video link. It sounded like maybe you were clicking the wrong link or weren't sure where to find the link, so hopefully I can clear that up. This is Schoology. This is just a student account, a test student account, so you can kind of see what it should look like from your end. So on your courses, when you click the course tab up here, Welcome to Kindergarten, this kindergarten section 59. This is Alexa's kindergarten class. So if you click that, and then if you click course materials, and then choose the week that we're on, so the week of November 23rd, under that week folder, every week, there's always going to be a weekly plan document, and then there's going to be two different meeting links. There's Mrs. DeVault's, and then there's Mrs. Krieger's. So those links are the same every day of the week. They don't change. You'll just click the same link for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, whatever day of the week. So once you click that link, you're going to get this little sad face that looks like it didn't work. However, you just click the title right here where it says link for Mrs. Krieger's meeting at 1:30. If you click that, then it'll prompt you to open in Microsoft Teams, and then you will be in the meeting right there. So let me close out of that. Another way that you can get to the meeting link is from Teams. So if you go to Teams and you choose Mrs. DeVault and Mrs. Krieger, you can see that Mrs. Krieger's meeting is right here, phonics and math. So you would just click this, and then you would click join. And if you scroll up, you can see Mrs. DeVault's is right here. So it's a reoccurring meeting. It's the same link each time, so it's not going to be a different link each day. So hopefully that helps. If you still have questions about where to access those meeting links or how to get to it, or if it's not working, please let me know. I'd be happy to give you a call and help you figure it out. Oh, and then one more thing I wanted to tell you. Let me go back to Schoology. When you go to courses, there should be a music course here. These are other courses that she wouldn't have in the test group here, but she should have a kindergarten course and then a music course. And the music course I don't have access to, but that's where you would find the link for the music class. So if you are having trouble with that, I can reach out to Mrs. Gamble and have her get in contact with you to help you troubleshoot that. Again, like I said, if you have any other questions, please reach out to me. I want to help you. I know this is tricky. I know it's hard, but we're going to get through it together. All right. Have a good day. Bye-bye.